All right, so here's number 1. All right, we got x to the 5th times x to the 2nd. Okay, what'd you learn on the last unit? Okay, all right, when the bases are the same, you add, okay? And these go real quickly today. So, all right, so this is going to equal how much? X to the 7th. Okay, very good. X to the 7th would be the answer, okay? All right, the second one would be z to the 21st. 8 and 13 give us 21, right? So z to the 21st is right, okay? All right, now the next one, does it matter if it's negative or positive? It doesn't matter, okay? So negative 2 plus 6 will give us 4. So y to the 4. It doesn't matter if it's negative, you still add it, right? So y to the 4 is the answer, okay? All right, now look at the next ones. We got, okay, now we got 3 of them. X to the 2nd, x to the 5th, x to the 3rd. So do you still add them all together? Even though they're 3. All right, so it's going to equal x to the 10. Right, 2 plus 5 plus 3 is 10. Okay, that's easy. Okay, let's look at the next one. Okay, now look at the a in the middle. What's its power? It's a 1. Right, okay, so you guys understand there's a 1 there, okay? So what's 7 and 1 and 12? It's a 20, so it's 8 to the 20 is the answer, right? No doubt you guys will see we're doing some of your homework right now in class, okay? You know, there are no sample problems today. It's all homework stuff. We're going to look at number 6. Z to the 3, z to the -5, z to the 9, z to the... Okay, z to the 7, everybody good there? Okay, z to the 7 is good, okay? Z to the 7, okay, we got that. Okay, so that takes care of the first set. Any questions? Because once again, you guys have all seen this. All right, let's go to the second part now. All right, now here's number 7. Okay, now what you learned is this: when you have a power to a power, what do you do with those two numbers? Multiply them, is right. Okay, so b squared to the 2nd would be b to the 4th. That's 2 times 2 is 4, so b to the 4th is right. Okay, z5 to the 2nd, right, would be z to the 10. Okay, z to the 10 is right. Okay, a to the 12 to the 3rd would be a to the, I'm sorry, I meant to say x to the 12 to the 3rd. Would be x to the 36. X to the 36 is right. Okay. All right, there you go. So far we're okay. Never lost. Okay, let's keep going. All right, so here's number 10, right? Okay, so this would be 10 to the 16. Once again, it doesn't matter if it's negative, it's still 10 to the 16. I'm sorry, 8 to the 16. Oh, my fault. Messed up. Let's try again. 8 to the 16. There you go. All right, let's go to the next one. All right, now look, here we got 3 powers. Does that matter? No. It's still the same thing. So 2 to the 3rd to the 4th would be 24, right? So x to the 24, everybody understand that? Okay, 2 times 3 plus 4 is 24. X is 24. That's right. You start from the inside and go out. Good question. That's right. Okay, so, all right, so how about number 12? 45, right? Negative 1 times 15 times negative 3 is 45. So z to the 45 is right. Very good. You guys got it. All right, so everybody good on that rule? Powers to powers. Once again, this is all stuff I think you should understand already. Okay, so let's start with number 13. Okay, now what do you do with this 5 on number 13? Distribute it, right? And that's what you guys have been taught. You distribute to there and to there. Distribute only to the powers. So it's going to be x to the 5th and y to the 5th, right? That's what the answer is. X to the 5th, y to the 5th. Okay. Okay, how about number 14? What would you get? A to the 2nd, b squared, c squared. Very good. That's right. A squared, b squared, c squared. Right. Okay. All right. How about number 15? What do you get? W to the 10, x to the 10, y to the 10, and z to the 10. There you go. That's how easy it is. Once again, you just distribute the powers. Anybody lost once again? Anybody got any questions so far? Okay, now it's the next one where some of you guys are having troubles with these negative exponents. Okay, so let me ask you this question. Can you ever have a negative exponent? No, as soon as you write one down, I just say, okay, that one's wrong. It's negative exponent. Never have those, right? Okay, so here's the thing. What is it you do to get rid of the negative? All right, you put it under 1, right? Okay, so here's the thing. Whenever you see this, what you're going to do is draw this fraction bar. Okay, you're going to put this on the bottom of the fraction, making it positive 2. And on the top, you're going to put a 1. That's correct. Okay, all right, so what's number 17 going to be? 1 over z to the 100. There you go. 1 over z to the 100. Okay, what's number 18 going to be? 1 over X to the 5, right? What number x to the 5th is right. Very good. Anybody lost there with negative exponents? What's that? Oh, sorry, it's negative 1. Okay, sorry, messed up. Thanks. Let's change it to negative 1. All right. Not to worry. X to the negative 1. All right. Here we go. We'll get it right. Right again. Okay, so it's going to be 1 over x to the 1. And go like that. Okay, so everybody good there? Okay, all right, so let's move on to the next part. Okay, now this is something new. This is something new. Most people don't know this. Okay, now look. Whenever you have something to the 0 power, it's always equal to the number 1. It always equals 1. And this fools lots of Algebra 2 students, right? That anything to the 0 power is always 1. If you got a calculator, you can stick it in your calculator and put a number like 7 to the 0 power. Press enter, see what it says. It's going to say 1 back at you, right? Okay, so anything to the 0 power is always 1. Okay, so let me ask you, what's the answer to number 19? It's 1, right? This is equal to 1. Okay, now how about ABC to the 0 power? That would equal 1. On 3, 1. That equals 1. Okay, how about anything to the 0 power? It equals 1. Well, I know you laugh at that, but lots of students still have confusion with it. You always say, well, what's z to the 0 power? Oh, it's 0? No, it's not. It's 1. Okay, all right, so everybody good? All right, now we're going to the back side of the page, right? This is number 22. Okay, so here's y to the 13 divided by y to the 6. Okay, now what you guys learn? When the bases are the same, what do you do with the exponents? You know, you subtract them, right? And it's always the top one minus the bottom one, right? Okay, so you can go like this. Y to the top one minus the bottom one, like that, right? Okay, so how much does that equal? Y to the 7 is right. That answers y to the 7. There you go, like that. Okay, can you also do that with negative numbers? The answer is yes. So this would be z, right? Z to the 2 minus negative 8, right? Okay, which is 2 to the 10 is right. This would become z to the 10 is the answer, right there. Okay, very good, that's right. Okay, now how about this one? B to the 1 million divided by b to the second. So what's the same rule, right? It'd be b to the 1 million minus 2. Okay, so it's going to be b to the what now? 999,998 is right. That's the answer right there. Just subtract it, okay? All right, so everybody good there? Okay, that's all it is. Division means subtraction with exponents. That's going to use that tons by the end of the year. Okay, let's go to the next ones now. Here's 25 through 27. Okay, all right, now, the next thing we got is this. Okay, what is it you were taught to do with this exponent? Distribute it, right? Okay, so you distribute it to that there and to that there, right? Okay, so this would become what? Z to the second over y to the second. Very good. There's the answer right there. Okay, no, it's not. These are easy right now, but they're going to get a little more challenging when you get to do your work. Okay, now here's b over a to the 2,000. Okay, same rule, right? Distribute it like this and like this. So it's going to be b to the 2,000 over a to the 2,000, right? That's what you do. Okay, there you go. That's the answer right there. Okay, now how about number 27? 1. Well, very good. The answer is 1, right? Anything in the 0 is 1. You just put down flat on 1, like that. All right, so anybody lost so far? What's happening? Any questions so far? Okay, now, here's the thing. So when you do, let me stop this. All right, so here's the example. So what's the first thing we're going to do with the negative 2? Distribute it, right? So you're going to go like this. You're going to distribute it to that, and to this, and to this. Now look, here's a common problem. Ever since guys in first period do this, some of them go, oh look, 3 negative 2, that gives me negative 6. And is that what you do? All right, very good. Yeah, okay. Once again, the negative 2 goes to the power. It does not go, and you multiply the 3 by it, okay? All right, so that's definitely not what you do. Okay, so it's going to be 3 to the negative 2, x to the positive 8, y to the negative 10. I mean, perfect. So far you're great, okay? If you did this, okay? All right, now here goes the next thing. Okay, so when you see this, what you need to train your brains to do is this. Draw a fraction bar. Okay, and what you're going to ask yourself is this. Where does this go? Does it go on the top or the bottom of the fraction? Okay, so where does this go? Bottom of the fraction. There we go. And it becomes positive. Where does this go? Top of the fraction because it's already positive. Where does this go? Bottom of the fraction because it's negative, right? Okay, so there's that, okay? Very good there. Okay, all right, now that's not the answer yet because here's the thing. How much is 3 to the second power? How much is 3 times 3 times 3? Okay, I'm sorry, 3 times 3, I meant to say 2, there are 2 of them, which is 9, right? So then you would write this down as the final answer. Okay, 9 over y, 10. There you go, and that's the final answer right there. Okay, what's that?